I doubt this looks as awesome on video, but man, the dogs just hiked up the trail onto these rocks from down there at my pickup. You can see it right there. There was a lizard on this rock when we first got up here. Blacktop tried to find it, but Snow White tangled him up and he lost track of it. Usually he'll catch them and then bring them to me unharmed so that I can keep them. Anyways, dogs are enjoying a little bit of time out of the vehicle during the road trip to Ohio. I'm enjoying a little time out of the vehicle. I don't usually do this stuff on my road trip because I'm always worried about getting there at a specific date or time or whatnot. But this time, this is for me and this is for my dogs.